Hey guys, welcome to the BdThemes widget tutorial. Today we'll be talking about the Diamond Gallery Widget brought to you by the Pixel Gallery add-on. Diamond presents an unique image gallery interface with lots of diamond-shaped images in a meshed layout. Hovering over them will trigger hover animations and pop up a view button. From the options on your left, you can select up to 12 columns to display the items in this gallery widget. Turning on the grid fill edges switcher will stretch the widget further to overflow around the edges of the container. There are more options like flipping the grid row shift between even and odd, setting grid position between inline and outline, choosing click action to lightbox or redirect, setting lightbox button style, etc. The few switches close to the bottom are for enabling item hover and lazy loading for the widget. You can also change the hover text from view to others using this field. Also, the show title and show text switchers can be toggled to show or hide those on the screen. Down to the last option here, you can actually change the dimension of all images used inside the gallery with the image size option. Now, going into the items section, you can see all gallery items listed under the section. Clicking on an item box will give you a few options to edit each item, such as the image, title, text, and URL. Let's customize the image, for example. Select a suitable one from your media library. Then you can change the title and the description text from below. Just like that, you are about to customize the rest of the image items to complete the gallery. Once you're done, you can go back to the layout section and now explore other grid styles from the option at the top. See that you can change the grid style into 4 different layouts. One of them is the diamond. Let's explore the rest of them one by one. You have hexagon, ellipse, and tile. Anyway, back to the default. Now we will start customizing the content style using the options found inside the Style tab. From the first section, aside from adjusting the item size, aspect ratio or border radius, you can change the item preloader color here. There is another section dedicated to letting you customize the background and text color, opacity, size, and scale for the hover mode. You can use the color options right off the bat to see how it interacts with the display. Amazingly, you can add an item shadow by configuring the settings within the item shadow section, starting with the shadow size, color, opacity, and offset values. Please note that clicking on the hover button in the Diamond Gallery widget will open the items in Lightbox, and there are separate sections to customize the appearance of the parts within the Lightbox window, like the Lightbox title section. Here, you can change the title color and then go for typography customizations to change the font style of the title in the Lightbox window. Then again, you can edit the Lightbox text by changing the color and customizing the typography settings. With a few tweaks like this, you can create a stunning image gallery for your audiences. Now, fold the control panel and see how the gallery performs. Also, the Lightbox is functioning as intended. Try navigation in the Lightbox view. This will definitely be a good experience for your visitors. That's all for this video. Hope this video helped. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel to get updates on new tutorial videos. Until then, stay safe and see you next time.